If you've ever looked closely at the base of a streetlight, you might have noticed something interesting. It doesn't actually rest flat on the ground. Instead, it seems to float slightly, supported by a set of sturdy bolts anchored into a concrete base. Actually, that is not a coincidence or a random design choice. It's a deliberate engineering decision based on multiple factors, including structural integrity, durability, ease of maintenance, and safety. If light poles were simply placed directly on the ground without bolts, they would be far more vulnerable to environmental damage, corrosion, and instability. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. We will discuss more in this video. Watch till the end. Let's explore the many reasons why engineers choose to mount light poles this way, and how this seemingly small detail plays a huge role in the functionality and longevity of urban infrastructure. 1. Structural stability and load distribution. One of the most fundamental reasons for mounting light poles on bolts instead of directly on the ground is structural stability. Light poles are subject to various external forces, including wind, vibrations from passing traffic, and even accidental collisions. If a pole were simply placed on the ground without a firm anchoring system, these forces would cause it to shift, lean, or even topple over time. The bolt system, on the other hand, allows the pole to be securely fastened to a concrete base, ensuring that it remains upright and stable in all conditions. This method also allows for even distribution of the load across the foundation, preventing stress from being concentrated in one particular area, which could lead to cracks or weaknesses in the base. By using bolts, engineers can create a more resilient structure that can withstand the test of time and resist the natural forces that could otherwise destabilize it. 2. Seismic and wind load considerations. In regions prone to earthquakes or strong winds, the structural integrity of light poles is a major concern. A rigidly embedded pole would be more likely to suffer from stress fractures or breakage when exposed to seismic activity or heavy gusts. The bolt-mounted design provides a slight degree of flexibility, allowing the pole to absorb and dissipate energy more effectively. In an earthquake, for example, the anchored bolts allow the base of the pole to shift slightly rather than snapping under pressure. Similarly, in high-wind environments, a pole with some give at the base can sway slightly without breaking, reducing the risk of catastrophic failure. This small but crucial feature makes light poles more resilient in extreme weather conditions, preventing them from becoming hazards during natural disasters. By designing poles with this kind of flexibility, engineers can enhance their longevity and ensure they remain standing even in adverse conditions. 3. Preventing soil and foundation shifts. Over time, the ground beneath any structure naturally shifts due to settling, erosion, temperature fluctuations, and even underground water movement. If a light pole were placed directly on the ground, these subtle shifts could gradually cause it to lean, tilt, or become unstable. This issue is especially problematic in areas with soft or sandy soil, where heavy structures can slowly sink over time. By mounting light poles on bolts attached to a stable concrete foundation, engineers create a more secure anchoring system that is far less susceptible to ground movement. The concrete foundation itself provides a solid and level base, preventing the pole from sinking or shifting. Additionally, the small gap between the pole and the ground helps to absorb minor movements in the surrounding soil, ensuring that the pole remains upright and functional for years to come. 4. Electrical and wiring considerations. Most streetlights have internal wiring that runs from underground power lines up through the pole to the light fixture at the top. If the pole were sitting directly on the ground, accessing this wiring for maintenance or repairs would be significantly more difficult. By elevating the base slightly, engineers provide a small but crucial access point for electricians to perform routine inspections, repairs, and replacements. This design allows for easy troubleshooting and reduces the need for excessive digging when servicing the electrical components. Additionally, the gap between the pole and the foundation helps with ventilation, preventing excessive heat buildup inside the pole, which could damage electrical components over time. The elevated base also minimizes the risk of water infiltration into the wiring, reducing the likelihood of electrical shorts or malfunctions. By considering these factors, engineers ensure that streetlights are not only stable, but also easy to maintain and repair when necessary. 5. Protection against corrosion. Corrosion is one of the biggest threats to metal structures, and light poles are no exception. If a pole were placed directly on the ground, it would constantly be exposed to moisture, dirt, and de-icing salts used on roads during winter. Over time, this exposure would lead to rusting, which weakens the metal and reduces the lifespan of the pole. By elevating the base of the pole slightly above the ground, engineers can significantly reduce the risk of corrosion. This small gap allows water to drain away instead of pooling around the base, preventing the accumulation of moisture that leads to rust. Additionally, by keeping the pole elevated, it is less likely to come into direct contact with corrosive chemicals from road treatments. In the long run, this design choice helps extend the life of the pole, reducing maintenance costs and ensuring that cities do not have to replace their infrastructure as frequently. 6. Ease of installation and replacement. Imagine a scenario where a light pole gets damaged by a vehicle or simply reaches the end of its lifespan. If the pole were embedded directly into the concrete, replacing it would be a labor-intensive process involving breaking apart the concrete, removing the old pole, pouring new concrete, and waiting for it to set before installing a new pole. This will be both time-consuming and expensive. However, by using anchor bolts, the replacement process becomes much simpler. Workers can simply unbolt the old pole and secure a new one in place without disturbing the concrete foundation. This modular design not only speeds up the process, but also minimizes disruption to traffic and pedestrians. It also allows for easy adjustments during installation, ensuring that the pole is perfectly vertical before being fully secured. Without this system, even minor replacements and repairs would require extensive effort, making maintenance far more complicated than necessary. At first glance, the small gap between a light pole and the ground may seem like a minor detail, but it is actually a crucial element of smart engineering. This design choice enhances stability, prevents corrosion, simplifies maintenance, improves safety in extreme conditions, and even contributes to better urban aesthetics. By mounting light poles on bolts instead of placing them directly on the ground, engineers ensure that these essential structures remain reliable and durable for years to come. The next time you walk past a streetlight, take a moment to appreciate the careful planning and engineering that went into keeping it standing strong, without ever actually touching the ground. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. We got other interesting content for you. Click the left or the right and enjoy.